Hi, this is Meir from Bear Bull Traders doing my recap. Today is Monday, August 26th. So coming into the day, MDCO, I'm not even quite sure what it is, says the medicine, something about medicine. It hit the gappers. It was up by like 12% in the beginning of the day, so piqued my interest. I was actually long bias, being that it gapped up. We had all these levels up here, so I put it on my watch list and actually on my main watch list. The pre-market action was pretty good. So this is the pre-market action. So it popped up and then it started selling off ahead of the market open. So as soon as the market opened, it really was selling off, and I was really looking at times of sales as it was very early, and there were a ton of bids, huge bids. The volume was really strong, really high. So I decided I'm going to short it. I took a small position, being that I did not trade that last week really much. I was away. And before that I had some difficulty trading, so I want to kind of take it slowly and build up my confidence. I took it here short at 38.14. I got filled, and then right away, pretty quickly, it crushed through the 38 level here. So I started covering here at 37. I put my stop here, like at the high 37.14. At the $half, I put my stop here. I had this moving average also. So at 38.50, I was risking about 40 cents about. And right away it cracked down here at 37.60. I started covering. Then I was afraid that it's going to squeeze back up, meaning that the stock was very strong. So I took off some more just in case. And then here, when it came down to the pre-market low, I covered some more. Here at this level, this was yesterday's high, I believe, or 2 days ago high. I covered some more. Then here it squeezed up, so when I came back down to this level again, I covered. And then I was all out towards this level over here. It ended up doing a pullback, then come down to PCL. I was very happy with this trade. This was my one trade and done, as I didn't have appetite for more trades, and I did not see really any setups later on. I took a very small size, took 30 shares, didn't make much on the trade, but it was a good trade. My only regret on the trade is that I took off too much early. I should have let it go, especially here. This was a small pullback. You could expect that. Maybe I should have been more patient to let it go to the next level before I take another partial. But this was a good trade. I was risking 40 cents. I made on average like about 80 cents, something like that, 70-80 cents. So that's a 2-hour trade, which is a good risk to reward. So I just wanted to share that with the community, and if you have any comments, you can leave them below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching.